twist. How to twist hair using extension like this. The easy way you can do that without your hair showing on your extension. Follow this step, you will get it right. First of all, cut out the portion that you want to plait. Then divide into two portions like this. This is good for the beginner class. Then twist. Divide the hair that you want to plait like this. Like this. Then twist the first one, holding it tight down like this. Then twist the second one like this. After twisting, cross it up like this. Twist, you cross. Twist, you cross. Twist, you cross like this. Got it. Make sure here is tight. That is. First of all, twist the hair for a better result. For a good result, twist your hair first before adding the extension. That's what I'm showing you now. Now I have done this. You can twist a little or all, depends on how you want it. This is how to get a perfect result that will help you the hair to last longer. Watch me. Place your extension like this. Like this. Then see what I did. Cross. Tight it again. Again, like this. Then you cross. Remember to hold this one tight. Then cover with hair like this. Remember you don't want the hair to show. So make sure the extension covers it up. You start your work. That's it. Twist. Like this. Twist. 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 Twist it before you cross. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Twist, you crossed. See the outcome.